So this is example number 10. Figure D shows pentagonal pyramid with a square hole develops its lateral surface. So here one figure number is given, and this is the question which has been given. This is a pentagonal pyramid, front view and top view. The axis height is 65 given here, and the side is 30 given here, and there is a square hole passing through this inside this pyramid. As you can observe, 25 away from the base, and the side is 15 So here, this is an interesting question, very very interesting question. In some examinations, this pentagon will not be given. It will only mention that you have to draw the uh, development of you have to develop the surface of this pyramid, and you have to identify that this is a pentagonal pyramid by its name or its dotted lines shown here. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 edges here, 5 longer edges visible. And as you know, pyramids will have triangular faces as visible in the top view also. It will have 5 triangular faces. But with that, there is a central hole also, and it is of square shape. So everything is fine. You can easily develop its surface, or front view and top view is already given. But the only thing is you have to place the square hole centrally at this position, not centrally, at this position, 25 above HP, and you have to develop the surface imagining that this portion is not there. Okay, so we will see now first how to imagine this. So here we are having a pentagonal pyramid, as you can see on your screen, with five triangular faces seen from the top also, and we have to assume this to be hollow. Now I will erase this bottom base so that it will look the it will be left we will be left only with the hollow surface of the pentagonal pyramid. As you can see, this is the front view which is given, but with a square hole, as you can see here in this position, and this is the given position in the question of a pentagonal pyramid with a square hole, as you can see the question's front view. So now the colors have changed a little bit. Do not worry about that. So here we are having 5 triangular faces which we have to develop. So what I will do, I will just bring out one face at a time, and I will bring all the faces at a single place. It is in a way we'll just unfold this pentagonal pyramid. So you see that I've just taken one face. So if I take out the all surfaces, I'll get the developed surface of this pentagonal pyramid. So this is the first face, and I have brought the second face also, and you can observe that a square hole is now appearing as something like a rhombus. It is not square, it has not remained a square. I'll just move it a little further because the other faces will come on this side, the left side only. So I'll bring in the third face also, and I'll attach this with the previous two faces. I will align them with the previous two faces. Just wait a minute. So this is the third face, triangular face, which has arrived. You see that the square hole has minimal effect on this face. That is why no portion is being of square hole is visible in this. And now the fourth one, as you can see, I have joined the fourth one, and you can see some gap here at this hole. This is because the square hole is passing through these last two faces. As you can observe the last two faces, this is the final developed surface, and you can see a little notch in the fifth face on the left hand side face. So this is the final developed surface of our pentagonal pyramid, on which a square hole is there. So you can observe the blue dots here, 5 triangular faces. And now we will see how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
So I have, this is a pentagon of 30 side and the axis is 65. Axis is 65. So you'll number points here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is O, O dash, this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. So this is 5 dash. Now a square hole of 15 side is given, but it is 25 mm above this figure, and it is mentioned that the square dimension is 15 mm. So for drawing that, what I will do is I will take approximate angle of 45 degree, say 45 degree, and I will try to complete this square hole here. So this line is 25 mm away from the horizontal plane. So to draw this square, like first I have drawn this line and the vertical line was always there. So by keeping the drafter here, which is actually trial and error, you match these 2 points, this point and 15 mm. You observe that this makes the distance of 15 mm. In a similar way, from this point and on this line, you see that this should make the 15 mm. And if you just take a parallel line to this, you will get this square. This is square is of 15 mm side. Now we will develop the surface. For this, we can take this slant height this much, and first line we can draw with our wish. So we'll just mark this point as 1. So the second point would be 30 mm away from this. So as this is a pentagon, we'll have 5 sides. And note that this is a pentagonal pyramid. So we'll get triangles. And I am drawing these triangles with a very easy method. Now this is 1, this is 2, 3, this is O dash, 4, 5 and 6. You see that the square is cutting the second line here. So I will take this point here, the second point. Here and here. And on this fifth line, we need some more points because this line is coming here. You see that I have taken a line from the O till this point and I have extended this point. Now I will draw this line vertically downwards. So you will get some distance here, which should be marked in the drawing sheet also. So this distance is from between 1 and from 1 between 1 and 2, this much distance is there. So I will cut one arc here, and between 1 and 5 the distance is this much. So I will cut one arc here from the apex. I will join this point and this point, and also we will simultaneously we will take this distance also from O, this distance, similarly I will mark the distance here also, and also you observe that this line is also in between. So when I take this vertically downwards, I will get this point and this point, not the point. So between 4 and 3, so between 4 towards 3, from 4 towards 3, I will get one point here. So I will draw one line here, and so the distance is this much. So I will easily cut this distance here, and also between 4 and 5 there is small distance. From 4 to 5 there is small distance which also has to be taken into account, and the arc required. So we can easily join these 4 points now. And the other one will be a little bit complicated shape, but we just need to join it. Whatever we are getting will be the developed surface of this.
So this is the solution of example number 10. As you can see, this is the pentagonal pyramid, front view and top view. I have redrawn it here with the square hole. So when you develop with it square hole, it will look something like this. These are irregular shapes. These are not square or something. Because this is a pyramid, it will cut this square hole will cut the faces in a irregular pattern. So this is the final solution. This is the final developed surface.